On to kick it off for the Skyhawks, number 23, Jose Ayala. Back deep to receive a kick for the Chiefs, number 7, Errol Mitchell, along with number 34, Hart Rainey.
Oh, they got him quick.
Chiefs, number 34, Hart Rainey.
Oh, he went out.
Just too much. Sorry. Did you give me one of those?
Yeah. Damn, backfield
Hart
again.
Rainey takes the handoff, and he's brought down in the Hopkins back to receive the kick for the Skyhawks.
Get him, get him, get him! Come on!
Hopkins returns the kick for the Skyhawks. He brings it out to the 30. T. Johnson, the ball carrier, bursts the speed down the right side, takes it down to the Chief 20.
Yep.
I just told you! Not dog it!
That's number 30, Darius Gillis on the misdirection. He takes it down to about the Chiefs' 7-yard line.
He's directing traffic. He's walking.
They don't even cover. Look at him walking.
Hart Rainey on the return for the Chiefs. He brings it out to the 33-yard line.
I can never look at the same anymore.
There you go, Hart. There you go,
Number
Hart.
34, Hart Rainey on the quick hitter for the Chiefs. He finds some room and takes it out to the 41-yard line. Down for the Chiefs, and Hart Rainey's in punt formation.
Third and short, turn to a 3rd and 7.
Yeah, 3rd and 1.
Number 7, Lakeith Hopkins back to receive the kick for the Skyhawks.
Get him, get him.
Get that dude, man. Get that dude. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Rip his head. Get him, get him!
Hopkins on the return, and he carries people inside the Chief 30 down to about the 28. Number 34, Hart Rainey takes the handoff, tries to find station, back to receive the kick, Lakeith Hopkins.
Yeah. This is good for our special teams highlight.
Rainey's punt rolls out of bounds at the Skyhawk 37-yard line. That's where they'll begin this.
Charge.
Hart Rainey, the ball carrier, tries to find some room over the left side and brings it out to about the 23-yard line.
Run.
Once again, Hart Rainey, the ball carrier, this time tries the right side.
Special teams. Score here, get some momentum.
All right, Corey. Call a good one.
Get up there, boy. There you go,
Hart
Hart.
Rainey, the ball carrier, carries in the middle of the Skyhawk line, breaks tackles, and carries to the 40-yard line.
Come on, Chief!
Once again, Hart Rainey, the ball carrier. This time he's met in the backfield. Chief set up the screen. Corey Ambers completes to number 34, Hart Rainey, and he takes it down to the Skyhawk 27-yard line.
On the fence. Crowd's erupting.
Hart Rainey finds a nice hole in the middle and carries it down to the Skyhawk 5-yard line. Hart Rainey takes the handoff, fights for yardage over the left side, gains a Rainey. And the kick is good. Corey Evans' pass complete to Hart Rainey. Hart Rainey takes the handoff. He's met at the line. Rainey's punt rolls dead.